Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to install and configure Trueview 4G camera. Okay, let's start video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, open first camera box, camera adapter in user manual. Remove this packing also. Now you see camera. Okay, this camera feature is SIM card and Ethernet port or LAN port, DC pin. This is setting button. Okay, the setting button is used for reset. Okay, remove this cover. Okay, insert first SIM card, then insert memory. Close this cover properly. Okay, connect adapter to power. Download application. Type here Trueview Cloud. Okay, tap on install. Okay, download complete. Camera software is installing in mobile. Okay, open application True Cloud. Okay, tap on agree. Okay, there is a two option to register application ID. One is email ID, another is phone number. I am selecting here phone number. Type here mobile number and then press register. Slide this ball to basket. Okay, type here verification code, send to your mobile number. Type here verification code, type here password, click on confirm. Set successful. Now you add camera in software. Tap on scan to add. Scanner open. This scanner scan barcode. Okay, scan code successfully scan. Okay, confirming the device. Type here camera name, what you want. Okay, after type this, click on next. You see camera and show in window. Okay, installation is complete. See camera picture is good. Tap on finish. Okay, one more time open application and see camera is aligned properly or not. Yes, camera is aligned properly. This is playback. Playback is working also. tap on live. This is live. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.